It's breakout day today. Our index is trying to break out from its long resistance. So, tignan natin. Ayun, no? Kitang-kita. Maliwanag pa sa sikat ng araw. So, IMI, it actually did not fall dito sa, ayun, no? Sa range na drinowing natin. So, which is a good thing. Even if nahulog siya dito banda, okay pa rin. But, this is a very strong signal that it's, buyers are accumulating. So right now it's breaking out. This can be considered as a breakaway gap, and then nag-follow through yung green candles natin with volume. So this is an easy trade. So may dyan yung breakout line natin, and no need to worry, no need to be afraid sa mga bearish divergence. This happens in an uptrend. So, okay lang yan. As long as intact yung breakout point natin, which is 1651, 1650 something. So, expectation setting on MRC is that it's creating a lower high right now and could retrace or correct in the coming days. So, pwedeng take profit level and wait for another breakout. Okay, tingnan natin yung MAC. Yung nag-breakout siya recently and then nag-consolidate. So this was a confirmation itong consolidation na to. But again, this breakout point should hold in the coming days. Sana tumulak to ng mas mataas itong MAC para at least yung breakout point natin should hold and will negate yung divergence, bearish divergence signal na nakikita natin. So, this one is still diverging din. So, no need to worry. As long as that breakout point is intact, okay lang. This is still an uptrend trade. A lot of things can happen, especially if mag-consolidate siya above this one. That's good. Dahil breakout ngayon, ang hirap mamili. Primex nag-retrace recently, yesterday. Maganda yung naging So this, if I'm not mistaken, that's a 23.6 Fibonacci support. So yan, it is very near sa 23.6, and now nagtuloy-tuloy to after nung range breakout niya from here. Congrats sa mga nakasakay. MRP nahulog. May paghulog si Mayor. That's a bearish signal for us, but there's still support here. Tignan natin if magkaroon ng descending triangle run to, mag-support siya dyan, and but this one is a long-term moving average support, and it's not a good thing na tinitest niya yan. Okay, this could be, ang best case scenario nito would be consolidation in the coming weeks. Okay, so my advice is that the market is breaking out right now. A lot of stocks are breaking out right now. So, stick tayo sa mga breakout and momentum plays. Diba? Wag na kayo mag-accumulate sa mga consolidation. Doon tayo sa mga moving stocks. Now is not the time to accumulate. 2 months ago, yes. 1 month ago, yes. But right now, momentum. Yung mga nag-accumulate 2 months ago, they are reaping the profits na ngayon. So, relax na lang. Tayo mga momentum traders, especially me, naghanap lang ako ng breakouts and ride the momentum. SEC maganda na siya before pa lang. But I don't trade heavy caps kasi. But this one, ang ganda ng chart nito. Start yung year or nag-end yung year last year ng maganda, nag-start yung year. So, SEC. I don't trade this. Picor, Petron, yikes! Consolidation in a long-term downtrend. Ayoko to. Pass. Kahit umangat yan, dito pa rin ako bibili sa taas na to. But, I still don't trade this one. Heavy rin kasi to eh. So, good luck na lang sa mga, this is still a sideways movement. Kita-kita. So expect that this range, this one also will resist, this range resistance will resist as well. Ride uptrend stocks Look at the MAs, hindi pa yan uptrend. Wow! 3 pushes. Push-up bras. So maganda yung mga naging consolidation ng CPM, at least more than 1 month, 1 to 3 months, and may volume during breakouts. If you look at the volume average, malamya. May paglamya. And then during breakouts, may pagtaas. Tangkad at haba ang sinusukat. EEI, I don't trade this, but this is also a good uptrending stock. Maganda siya, nakikita ko to on the side, pero sadly wala siya sa watchlist ko or sa trade list ko. But for those of you who are riding this trend, ang ganda pa rin, nakakas pa rin yung EEI. CLC, I also don't trade IPO stocks kasi wala pang, due to lack of data. Of course, we can trade minute chart niya intraday. This is 1 hour or 30 minutes. We are seeing short-term uptrend. This one, I think, this could be 78.6 Fibonacci resistance or 76.4. Nandun lang yan. Ayun, so that's 78.6. That's your story for ano. That's normal. It's very normal. Yun, no? May pagbilog. Ang hirap ng magbilog. Ayun, may pagbilog dun. Uptrend pa rin to. So we're seeing higher highs and higher lows for CLC. You can still trade this one on the mini chart nga lang. But the MA formation of this one sa mini chart, hindi ko rin gusto. Kasi pagka magkakadikit yung MAs, it shows na mabagal yung uptrend. Tight MAs during uptrends, mabagal yun. Unlike, tignan mo yung EEI. Magkakahiwala yung MAs. Masyadong malayo yung 50 MA sa price, 20 MA lang dumidikit. So this is 20 and 50 MA trail. 100 MA is untouched. So that's a good indication that it's on a long term or rather medium term na uptrend. HBN, good consolidation. Breakout after the long consolidation. Easy trade. Easy breakout trade. Shishing! You know, may pagtaas ng volume dramatically. Follow your trail stops. For those of you who are riding the trend, definitely magkakaroon ng ng retracements in the coming days or weeks. So that could be a good entry point for position traders, for swing traders. Mukhang maraming masayang Pasko ngayon at marami ding malalamig ang Pasko. Sayang to. I miss this trade. Diba sabi ko kasi I don't trade commodities, but this one, it turned out to be, ang ilagay nating resistance last time dito was here. So it turned out to be a good stock pala. This is one missed trade for me. Congrats sa mga nakasakay. Tingnan natin if itong 570 resistance. Ito na lang yung resistance niya doon sa range. Ang tagal nito. This is a 2-year 2016 2-year consolidation. So even if magkaroon ng cap yan dito around, if kunyari mag-resist yan and let's say magkaroon ng cap somewhere here or anywhere here, mas magandang buwelo yun for a bigger move. CEI, good retracement. So retracing very good right now. Kita naman natin 20 MA supporting. And as I've mentioned during my last stream, magka-catch up talaga definitely yung 20 MA. So it could support the price na mas mataas. Buti hindi inabot yung 50 MA. This one, pwedeng ascending triangle formation or a good cup formation. This is a resistance. It's already resisting right now. From this rebound point sa support, may mga nag-take profits na. But this is still an uptrend stock. Yung tech, yon. This is also an uptrend stock. Kitang-kita sa MA formation, AOTS. Quaker outs. Robert C. stock again ito. Mga dito siya nakasakay. Yan, kaya yung ramen ko wala pa. RSI is very healthy, above 70. PLC nag-breakout last time but nag-bull drop din agad. Kung hindi kinaya. Magandang ascending triangle sana ito. Nagkaroon ng bull trap. Hopefully, MAs will support, bull trap yan. Yung ganyan, breakout and then bumalik sa breakout point. That's a bull trap. And ang gagawin na natin yung breakout point will be this one para mas sure. So yung mga nakabili dito, definitely nakapag-cut na yan. Ayan. Or ipit. Ang Vita, it's coming from a downtrend definitely. But meron na tayong nakitang 2 higher highs and higher lows dito. Medyo gusto ni Vita ngayon na mag-retrace ng mas matagal. Like for this one, yung previous retrace, yung previous sideways movement niya, gano'ng katagal yan? January to May. Then this one naman, so from here, mag-retrace na naman siya. So from that breakout point, May to September. So mahilig siyang since this is a reversal chart, it's trying to turn around, marami talagang resistance yan along the way. Hindi magiging easy. If given a choice, personally, between an uptrend that's breaking out right now and sideways na undecided by yung market, I would choose the uptrend. No need to hurry. I'm not sure about sa mga position traders, pero as a momentum trader, sa akin, sakay-sakay lang tayo dun sa mga uptrending stocks kasi very limited naman yung capital. Pwede natin bilhin lahat yan. Lahat na maganda, pero limited yung capital natin. Stick tayo sa faster horses. PNX, uptrend din. MAs are supporting. Okay, so maganda tong chart ng PNX. MAs shows na good yung health ng stock. Grabe, napaka-illiquid naman ito. Pero may liquidity na. Going up, karoon na ng liquidity in chart. Volume is showing now. Another stock that's trying to reverse. If ito yung very long term nito, uptrend pa rin naman. But stock is hovering sa 100 MA. Ibig sabihin yan, sideways. Ito yung diniscuss ko sa rip na MA spaghetti. Spaghetti MAs. Look at that. Look at that. Spaghetti. Yung price, it's not respecting yung uptrend ng 20, 50, tsaka 100 MA yung uptrend signal nila. So, neutral. Pagka ganito, turn off all MAs and just trade the range. Ganyan, para hindi maging bias. Kasi yung ability of these MAs to resist and to support, wala na. Kasi kitang-kita nga natin, hindi nire-respect ng price. May breakout, diba? Tapos may breakdown, then may breakout again, tapos may breakdown, try to break out. Parang hindi niya nire-respect. So don't use these MAs as your support and resistance. Turn it off kasi hindi niya nga nire-respect because it's on a sideways. The power of the MAs to show reliable signal as support and resistance, wala during sideways. So that's one technique to set your expectations. Turn it off. Ganda pala ng BKR. Nabubuhay ulit. Kasi sideways to eh. Sa pag-trade ng sideways, kailangan mabilis kayo. Kasi marami siyang resistance. And pinaka-example natin ng sideways trading is yung MED. Ito yung stock na maraming nanakawan palagi. Kasi every time na magkakaroon ng mga green candles na ganyan, matataas yung percentage. Minsan, usually above 10% eh. So yun, mga green candles, tingin ng mga tao, magkaano na. Look at the MAs. Spaghetti rin siya. So, let's turn it off and just trade yung sideways na nangyayari. So, if we're going to use this one as our mas masiset natin yung expectation to just sell kapag ka merong momentum. Tinira, binagsakan. Tinira, binagsakan. Tinira, binagsakan. That's sideways trading. Marami naloloko kasi every time na mag-green, uy! Ito na! Dito na ako yayaman. You have to set your expectations depende sa trend. May expectation tayo for uptrend, may expectation tayo for downtrend, may expectation tayo for sideways. Gagawin natin yun. Kailangan maging watcha. Sabi ni Bruce Lee, be Watson, my friend. So, as for me, I usually avoid trading downtrend stocks. But whenever I trade them, mabilisan lang. Like, yung mga bounce play ng X, MRC, yan, mabilisan lang tayo. Yan. For sideways, mabilisan lang din. Kasi maraming resistance dun sa range. Sideways kasi is a tug of war between the bulls and the bears. It's an undecided territory, crossfire. So if you're going to imagine, if merong naglalaro sa inyo ng Counter-Strike, yung map na deathmatch, parang ganun yung sideways. Sa kabilang side, nandun yung mga buyers, sa kabilang side, nandun yung mga sellers. And if pumunta ka dun sa crossfire, huwag kang lalabas na lang dun. If pumunta ka dun sa gitna, sa crossfire ng deathmatch, diba, ang daming sniper, siguradong patay ka. Siguradong patay ka. That's sideways trading. So, if you're going to, trade sideways, kailangan mabilis. Ano lang to ng mga, mundo to ng mga position traders. They are accumulating. Ito yung accumulation stage nila. So, as for us, or at least for me, no momentum trader, iniiwasan natin yan. Pero, hindi natin siya tinatanggal sa watchlist natin kasi naglalagay tayo ng breakout point or ng trigger kung saan i-invalidate na yung sideways na yun. So, like for this, yung breakout point niya is this. So, pagka nag-break na dito, ibig sabihin, panalo na yung mga buyer. And this could be a start of a new trend. So, a good breakout trader is a trader na magaling tumingin ng sideways. He could trade within that range, pero very patient yan, naantayin yung trigger niya na ma-hit. PHA. Naku, tagal ko na din na-trade to. Venture na PHA. Yuck! Sideways also. Accumulation stage, hindi natin alam kung kailan ito tataas. Pero, if you're a momentum trader and you're up for mabilisan na labas-pasok, PHA is not a good sideways in a downtrend. Yung picture nito. Yuck! Sorry, I don't trade this kasi. Ngayon ko lang ulit nabalikan yung chart. Pero maraming may mahal dito sa PHA, especially yung mga nagbabasa ng forums. Mahal na nila kasi nakaka-hype sila eh. Sa Finance Manila, ang dami nag-hype niyan. Fundamentals. Yun, STI. STI is a good uptrend trade. Yan ang mga gusto natin. Ganda, di ba? It's like yung early stages ng IMI. IMI also did this kind of move. So parang ito yung nangyari sa IMI din before. Nagkaroon ng pagbagsak at pag-support. And then nagkaroon ng pag-rebound. And it's already on the midpoint of that range. So for IMI, mas mabilis lang siya. Think of STI as a slow IMI. So yun, may pagbagsak. At may magpag-angat. Pero mas mabagal siya kasi sa STI, tinatch yung 100 MA, which is a long-term support. So, hindi maganda yun. STI is a slow IMI, parang ganun. STI naman kasi is notorious sa pag-touch ng 100 MA. That's his trail eh. You know, kitang-kita natin. Yung buong trend niya, palagi niyang may mga long consolidations. Diba? Ito naging deep consolidation. Pag nagka-consolidate siya, nagta-touch siya sa 100 MA. Dito medyo bumilis yung trend. Siguro ang naging support nito 20 MA. Dito sa trend na to. Yun. So dito sa part na to siguro 20 MA to. Ayun, 20 MA nga. Yung nag-support. So medyo bumilis yung trend na dito kasi 20 MA yung support. Pero on a long-term perspective, dito kahit sa IMI kahit patayin niya yung 50 MA, walang silbi. Hindi niya sinusunod eh. Ang sinusunod niya would be 20 MA during breakouts and then 100 MA during support tests. So that's a 100 MA trail. Sa IMI ba, anong MA trail yun? 20 MA. Kaya mabilis. Shook it! DD. DD. Kunyari, best. Kaya sa DD natin, shook it. Okay, so DD is below 100 mA, which is not a good thing. Medyo bumagal si DD, and that's expected kapag ka may mga parabolic runs. Ganun talaga, kailangan nyo mag-rest muna for a while. Hindi natin alam kung 1 year, 2 years, pwedeng mag-turn into downtrend. So, I'm not, may mga bounce and may mga rebounds yan along the way. Pero, if you're up for a trend following stock, anong pina-follow mo na trend dito? Downtrend? Mali yun. Pag trend following, you're following an uptrend. Ayun dapat. Hindi na natin nabalikan yung presa. Deep correction, Tapos, nag-rebound. Sorry, kumakain kasi ang kamote. Mukhang mag-consolidate pa. After nitong may bull drop na nangyari dito sa area na to. Ayun, nagkaroon ng 78.6 resistance. Worst scenario nito, mahulog sa 50 MA and descending triangle. Salamat sa pag-nood ng stream. Sa susunod ulit. Bye-bye!